yung bag na pinili ko kahapon sa Anello event. Ang cute, no? I love it. I love the red. And I love that it has like a lot of space inside. Bongga talaga yung Anello kasi pag open ng zipper, alam mo yung pa-square yung open niya sa taas. So, ang dami talaga malalagay. And may zipper dito sa harap. Ito yung nadaling ko sa Taiwan. We're on our way to the SIP event, guys. So if you didn't know, may bagong bottled water brand in the Philippines. It's called SIP, SIP. And sobrang bongga ng event nila Marge, sa Hot Pot. 4 Seasons Hot Pot in Cubao. So, we wanted to leave the house early kasi alam namin na matraffic. So, naghanap kami ng place kung saan kami pwedeng tumambay muna bago yung event. So, we found a dog cafe and a cat cafe around the area. So, we're gonna go there first. Wala akong eye makeup kasi medyo nakangati yung eyes ko for 3 days now. Kaya tumigil muna ako mag-makeup sa mata. July 24 yung check-up ko sa Shinagawa for my LASIK eye surgery. So, I think 6 months na. Parang 6 months na yata to. So, papacheck ko kung bakit gano'n. By the way, meron kaming update about the house or the apartment. Kasi nagkaroon kami lang problem with kitchen mites. Kala ko kitchen mites siya nung una. Yun pala, anay. As in, sabi ko kay Mark, anay talaga yun. So, for sure, anay. Then, na-treat ko sila kasi ginamit ko yung dog tick spray. So, gumana naman for some reason. Tapos, ang weird lang, nung isang araw lang, sinabi ko kay Mark, sa CR, meron din. As in, yung sa, ano tawag mo dun? Yung case nung door na frame ng door na wooden din. Nakakita ko nung lahat ko, ano ba itong mga to? Same. Kamukha ng kitchen mice, pero totoo, confirmed na may anay na-confirm nung property manager something. So, ewan ko kung gagawin, pero for sure kailangan nilang ayusin yun. Nakakaloka, no? We're here. Ito yung Bengal Brews. Tapos katabi niya is...
Ano unahin natin?
What is this?
Ano unahin natin?
Wolf and Bear Dog Cafe. Dito muna tayo sa cat.
Cat muna?
Yeah. Look who greeted us. This is a baby. Nymeria. Ang laki niya. Oh my gosh. Hi, come on, baby. Darling. Come here, baby. How are you? Oh, so bait naman. Ang bait niya. Ano name niya?
Sari.
Sari. Sari. Si Sari. Ayan, may mga house rules tayo.
Waiver mo lang po ng complete name, date to day and signature of the name of
Lahat daw ng dogs and cats dito guys undergo a diet. So, hindi sila binibigyan ng mga processed na food. Even Sari. She's so cute. How cute. Yeah, how much yun per pair?
50 pesos.
This one. Okay, so like any other dog cafe and cat cafe, kailangan naka-socks and may slippers. So then wash your hands.
Organized dito sobra.
Yeah. We're entering the cat cafe first. Ang laki! Oh my gosh, ang cute niya! Pero nakatatabitan, mahal.
Yeah.
Parang ito yung cat ni Mark, mahal. Yung one fine Pinoy boy. Oh my God, ang ganda na baby! Oh, my babies! My babies! Hi, darlings! Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Meron silang laruan, no? Mahal, may laruan silang paakyat. Ang saya naman. And they have like a lot of space here. Hello, Hello, darling. Oh, you curled up ang baby. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Meow.
Pwede yan siguro
Takot ako? Baka mangagat? Meow. Love you. Parang cheetah. Ito rin malaki rin to. Hi, baby. Hi, darling. Hi. You're so big. Ay, ang laki niya. Grabe, ang laki. Hi, darling. I have to be quiet, guys. Relax lang tayo. Okay, hello. I'm a friend. Naku, ayaw niya sa akin, girl. Look at that. Cool.
siya.
Whoopee! Hello, baby.
Ito si Garfield.
Gusto magpahawak.
Cute, diba? Ang likot nito.
Whoop! Whoop! Galing naman. Mahal, look at that. May naka-display. Ayun sila, ang dami nila. Ang dami nila. Ang saya. Hello, baby. Okay, malapit si Mark sa mga pussy.
Nice.
Ang bait naman. Oh, super bait niya, guys. Medyo takot ako hawakan.
Laki niya, parang...
Ngayon lang ko nakakita talaga yung kalaki pusa. Grabe. Yung kay Mark, ano ba kaya kalaki? Bengal eh. The area is so clean. Ngayon lang ko nakakita ng cat cafe sa Philippines na ganito kalaki and then ganito kalinis. So we have 30 minutes here and then 30 minutes sa dog cafe. Mama! Hey baby! Hey darling! Hi! Meow! Meow meow! Meow meow! Meow meow! Mahal! Taba! Look at this, meron pa silang playpen dito. O diba, may tubig pa sila dito. Ang galing sobra, guys. Sobrang ganda ng area na to. Look at that. May mga higaan sila. So, ay, may natulog dito, oh. Hello, baby. Wait na. Oh my God, may isa pa. Asawa niya siguro to.
Baka anak nila yun.
Hi! Uy, mahal, wag. Mahal, wag. Nakakatakot. Meow, meow.
Man.
She's so sweet. Ang taba-taba nung gusto kong yakapin niya magmahal.
Ito, baboy.
You're good, darling.
Baboy. Ito po yung husky. Wildcat.
Wildcat. So ano sila? Environmental friendly sila. As in cup talaga. Yes? Hi! What's wrong? Oh! Nag-tilt ng head! Hi, baby! Hi! Ito cute. Ito yung ano. Yummy!
Ito,
sarap.
Ito, may hint ng ano eh.
Lang.
Hindi ko alam kung anong hint.
Almond!
Almond.
Oh my God, we're so bright. Anyway guys, visit this place. Ito yung pinaka-okay na cat cafe so far. Una na pa na natin. Sobrang sikip na ano.
Saan yun?
Tsaka halatang lahat sila naalagaan ng bongga. Sobrang nice anyway. Si Mark yung labi din. Bakit ka may sugat, baby? Oh my God! Gusto niya kay Mark! Ang cute! Ba't sa'yo gusto sa akin ayaw? Ang cute! Man!
Bakit siya rin?
Oh, picture. Alam, mag-aaway sila, oh. Ang cute! Oh my God! Inaway ka ba? Oh, inaway ba ang baby? Oh, anong ginawa sa'yo? Ha?
Buka dito, man.
Inaway ka? Please, darling.
Ito naman, oh. Ito naman, oh.
Ito naman, oh. Mahal, picture mo kami. Oh my God.
Nag-snuggle siya nga sa'yo.
Hi, darling. How cute. So soft. Tsaka wala siyang
Sweet niya, oh.
Ayun.
Siya yung first cat na umakyat sa amin.
Siya ba yung nakadila kanina?
Hindi, iba pa.
I love you. Asus, nilamig ka? Oo naman. Tatawid na kami sa dog cafe naman. Sa dog place. Bye, darlings! I love you! Bye! Bye! Hi, baby. You're so sweet. Hi. Oh my God. Okay, wait lang. Oy, sus. Winter. Bait. Ano siya?
Pares naman.
May isa pa dun, no?
Dito pala siya.
Cute! Oh, ang laki ng space nila. Hi! It's okay, it's okay. Tochik, ano? Oh, galit siya. Galit. So cute.
Maano siya sa bagong tao. Pero hindi naman siya nangangagat.
Bye, darling. Oh, it's okay. Let's go up, man. Kiss me, darling. Dali mo na yung stakasal. Dali mo sa asin, dalawa.
Baby.
Look, ang laki ng space nila. Oh, it's lagi may naglilinis. So, may second floor. Feel ko yung allergy ko sa ilong. Cute, guys. Kitty! Suplado? Huwag tulog. Hello, baby. Come on. Hindi tayo mahal. Tulog siya. Nandaan, ha? Wag. Maltese ba yan?
Ay, peking it mo.
Hi! Oh, the little baby! Hi, say hi! Hi! Ay, shit! Kala ko mga din ako. Bait! Wow, bait naman ng baby! So gentle! Mabait yun? Ito. Cute! Wow, nag-stretch! Say hi! Hello, new friend! Mahal, picture mo kami.
Dapat siya rin pala. Wala yan.
Okay. Rabang belly. May wag kayo maingay. Tulog lang ako. Bait nito, oh. Ano kayang name mo? I love you. So, ito yung second floor, guys. Ayun yung mga little doggies natin. Sobrang cute. Bye, baby! I love you! Bye! Then, merong area dito. Pwede kayong mag-chill, ganyan. Naming dogs dito, pero medyo tulog silang lahat. When you go down, when you look down pala, ayan lahat, oh. Si Mark ina-attempt na lumapit kayo. Nakabukang kang, baby! Kabukang kang. Winter! Ayan si Ghost. Hi, Ghost! Hi! Oh, you're so sweet! Ang ganda ng mata ni Jacob. Oh. Careful. Hi! Jacob! Picture, Jacob! Jacob! I love you! Oh, amoy pusa ba? Sorry! Ayun na!
Ano to? Naglalaro lang?
Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Sabi niya, huwag ka na kasing suplado! Mabait naman sila sa atin eh! Grabe! Ang ganda tignan! Kakasama sila! Aww! Friends silang lahat. Buti na talaga, ang laki ng space na dito. They're so cute. Ah, cute pa! Hi. Hello.
Malaki rin pala si Chico. Malaki rin pala niya.
Ano yung nilagay ko sa kanya?
Pa.
Ba't siya pinapalibutan?
Ay, mahal. Naalala mo yung nakita natin sa town center? Ay, sa Burgos.
Oh, that's so sweet.
High Street.
Ay, wee ang baby. Wee. Hi, you're so big. How are you? Oh, so baby boys natin. Let's go.
Tara.
Sabi nila, yes, sila na sila. Eh, gumagalaw naman pala siya eh.
Nag-aalaga kay Chico.
Oh, shoes! Ano yung sabihin nun?
Gusto niya lumabas?
Hindi ata pwede pag lumabas. Magulo daw sila pag kasama. Oh, shoes!
Ay, si Chico.
Tapang a baby? Atapang? Atapang a baby? Liit-liit niyo. Sabi niya, ano bang gulo dito sa baba? Ang ingay niyo. Hi, Summer! Ay, ang taba naman ni Summer! Ang taba! Summer Bomber! Ay, ang taba! Apoy-apoy!
Ito pa. Kuya, ano pangalan nito? Shaggy. Shaggy? Ah, si Shaggy.
Hi, Shaggy! Si Shaggy, oh.
Anong lahi ito, kuya?
Hello!
Sheepdog. Ah, sheepdog.
Sheepdog si Shaggy. You're so big. Mahal, saan? Mahal.
Ano?
At sila na sa pena. May meeting? May meeting ba tayo? Lahat kayo nagising? I think may meeting na sila talaga. Oh, cutie guys. Allergies are acting up, guys. Talagang hindi na ako sanay pag matagal kasama yung mga pets. It's okay. Pero hindi siya ganun kalala yung ano ko ngayon kasi sa Japan. Stuffy nose na. Hi! Oh, may meeting din kayo dito? May meeting din sila dito? You're all gising, huh?
Ano? Na-frozen daw
raw pala yung kinakain nila, guys. So,
Raw na frozen daw eh.
mas okay daw yun for cats and dogs. Ito naman, hello!
Kainom?
Mukha ni Marnie. Ito si Big Cat. Buti, get along sila, no? Kahit wild yung isa.
Oh, siguro
Okay.
baby pa lang.
Say bye-bye na. Love you guys. Bye!
Baby!
Ito yung humiga sa amin kanina. Hi, cutie! Another one there. So cute! Another one there. Another one there. Kashmir Bengal. 8 years old, guys. What a cutie. Four Seasons Buffet and Hot Pot by Vikings pala to, darling.
Oh, bye-bye.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, it's our first time here. Oh, it's so bright. Wow. Here you go. Purified water pala. Are you ready to eat? Bongga, guys, look. So, per tao, may sariling. True, that's so cool. Ang seatmate namin ni Mark for tonight is Gab from Preview. Hi!
Hi, guys!
Wait lang, alam mo, ang ganda ng kilay mo, Bongga.
Thank you.
Ay, sukiyaki. Ah, so soup. Cool sa ilalim. Oh, kay may isa magko-control. Ano pinili ko?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay, and then?
So, ano na po? Kuha ko lang po sa mga ingredients.
Okay. Let's start! Okay. Okay, so this is like a big place. Then kami nag-start. Raw items for cooking. Ayan. So, ang dami pa dito, guys. Sobrang dami. Fresh eggs. Okay, so madami pa dito. Okay, Filipino food. Western Continental. Oh my gosh. With mallows and cheese. Girl! Korean food. Paella. Filipino. Top here. Ooh. Of course, we have the dessert area. Oh, diba? Ang dami. Oh my gosh. Donuts. Ice cream. First plate. Excited ako dito. Yung kamote na may marshmallow. Then, yung waiter na yung nag-pick ng mga ingredients for us. So, that's done. Yummy. Mag-water muna tayo. Ay, lupat yung yan pinulutan. Roots! Malapit lang. Balikbayan. Look at this, guys. Mozzarella yung loob niya. Grabe. Dahan-dahan lang ang pacing. Super love ko yung sweet potato with the marshmallow. Mahal, anong favorite mo so far? Bumagal siya eh. Pag bumagal, kumasin siya. Anyway, Marge. Ano yan, Marge?
Habang kumakain mo yung sinigang ko, may love na doon. So, bawal sa'yo yan. And then you force him. Charot lang. To make it tastier.
Sip purified water is volcanic filter. It's a volcanic filtered purified water. We actually dug 800 feet down our land just to find the best source of water for you guys. So what's happening basically with volcanic filter, I'll explain it lang. So yung lupa namin is sitting on top of a very thick layer of volcanic rock. It's super tigas. In fact, our scientists told us that we are crazy for even buying that land in the first place. Kasi it's a resistivity value that they've never seen before. For everybody else are buying land sa may kabuyaw. Bakit daw kami sa Kalamba? Like, sa kabuyaw, softer yung rock. It's easier to drill. Eh kami, medyo ano lang, daredevils, we went with it. 7 months in, we were drilling. It was a long time to drill. We decided to go with another option of drilling yung rotary, yung medyo matapang na yung malakas. 2 months. We were actually very scared because the scientists told us that there's a possibility that the land that we bought does not have enough water. Big chance. Kasi the cracks of the rock where the water is flowing is very, very small. The only way to test it is through a pumping test. So we have to drill it no matter what and then pump it out and see what happens. So yun yun, lo and behold, when we drilled all the way down to 800 feet, we did the pumping test for 48 hours, thankfully, thank God, na malakas, good amount of source of water. And on top of that, it's a sustainable source of water. So all of the water that's coming from our aquifer is coming from Mount Makiling's constant precipitation. So nag-rotate lang siya. So it's a very sustainable source of water. All of our bottles are bottled at the source, so carbon emissions are lower. You know, we don't harm the environment. And it's also naturally filtered. So how is it naturally filtered? So your water, that's just a volcanic rock. It picks up sediments. It goes through those tiny little pores of rocks, volcanic rocks. And it's filtering out the larger particles of mineral. Filter out all the bad ones, leaving you with the good ones. After pumping it out, it goes down to our aquifer. So aquifer namin, we pump it out again. Goes to our storage tank. We clean it. Goes through 7 processes of filtration. Takes out viruses, takes out bacteria. It goes through all of that. Goes through all 7 processes before it goes to becomes this bottle of joy. Sip. Sip purified water. Guaranteed safe and pure yung water namin. We are accredited by Pepsi International. All our quality procedures, everything are aligned with them.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah, very secure, very pure. Yeah, basically that's it. That's it. It's volcanic filtered. It's basically like the Volvic or Evian of the Philippines. And SRP, 500 ml is only at 11 pesos.
Oh!
11 pesos. So you're thinking like ganitong shape ng bottle?
Yeah, 11 pesos.
Looks expensive? No, it's only 11 pesos.
Wow.
7-Eleven lang yung 15 pesos kasi it's 7-Eleven. There's nothing we can do. But Landmark, SM, Save More, Save Market, all of that, 11 pesos. Our 500 ml, 9 pesos for 350 ml, and 20 pesos for 1 liter. So very, very
Cool.
affordable.
We're home. Ang daming binigay ng sip. Thank you so much. 3 boxes. Bongga. That's it for the vlog today, guys. Tomorrow we have another shoot, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mahal, magtupi ka, ha?
Wow!
Kasi last time ako nagtupi lahat, eh.
Talagang sinabi mo pa sa vlog,
Totoo.
magtupi ka, ha?
Tapos mga picture ko kanina sa Dog and Cat Cafe, lahat blurred. Sa kanya picture niya lahat maganda.